This is a phenomenon that happens every night at my neighbor's little lake across the street from me. She's lived here over 30 years, and every night all these birds come to nest in this little island on this lake. It's a small lake, as you can see. I'm trying to go slow. And here they come. They just come by the hundreds. And they spend the whole night on this little island. And then in the morning, they leave. And there's a huge gator in this lake. And there's carfish that jump. Today I was over when it was warm out and the carfish were just jumping. So I'm hoping to get a photograph of that. Here come a bunch of birds here. Here we go. You can get a look at it. Look at that. Look at that beautiful sunset too. I'm going to stand up and walk over. Okay. This is Florida. Can you hear them? See why I love Florida, you guys? Oh, there's a turtle. Just went under the fence. Florida rocks. They just keep coming. They'll come until dark. I'm going to walk down to the neighbor's yard. He has a shorter fence. Maybe I'll start over. There's a jet. Maybe we'll see the gator. There's just hundreds of them coming. This is kind of a long video for me. I hope you guys watch it till the end. There's some fish or something right there. Could have been a gator. Here, we can see better here. Look at all of them. The tree by nighttime would be white with them. Those black ones are kind of a new thing, I think. Hey, Mike! Have those blackbirds always came? Is there more of them now than there used to be?
Yeah,
a lot more blackbirds now than there used to be. Can you guys see them? I'm going to zoom. They're what? Momagrants. And then there's ibis and egrets, right?
Ibises.
Ibises. We got a real Floridian here helping us film. Look at them all. So awesome. So this is kind of a long video. You guys get the idea. They'll just keep coming and keep coming. Yes, they're noisy. He says, oh, there a fish jumped and I missed it. You can see the circle. Okay, this is Lila Bean signing out.